Welcome back. Now, what if you wanted to record something that you knew was going to happen in the future, but you weren't going to be at your personal computer in order to set the recording? Well, Audacity has a feature within it called Timer Record that will allow you to record the live stream you want to record, provided that it comes on at the time that it specifies, and you can set your recording to receive for a specific period of time. And so what we can do is we can go into Audacity. We want to make sure that we have a blank canvas. And what we're going to do is we're going to then go to the transport command. We're then going to go to record. And then we're going to go to timer record. And what you're going to notice is that we have some features. We can set the start date and time. We can then set the end date and time, or we can set by duration. And what we can do then is we can then enable the project to save automatically, and then we can give the project a name and a place to save. We can also automatically export the project. So we can set our export file within the place where we want it, naming it what we want, as well as the format that we want. We also have options when the recording completes. So what we can do is we can use this drop down arrow. We can have Audacity exit. We can then restart our system or shut down our system altogether. So we can set Audacity to go off at a certain time to record what we wanted to record, and make sure that we have our live stream open and available to start when it's ready. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.